Catch the wave of the future with Cloud in a Box, your hybrid cloud computing solution. This revolutionary concept is perfect for new businesses, expanding enterprises, and startups seeking secure and cost-effective solutions. With a typical return on investment in just 7 months, it's a game changer. The beauty of Cloud in a Box lies in its all-in-one nature. It houses both public and private cloud servers, utilizing top-notch Nutanix AHV Prism software. Choose from a variety of server options: HP, Dell, Nutanix, Cisco, Lenovo, it's your call. The best part? This hybrid cloud solution can be up and running within 2 days. We understand every business is unique. That's why Cloud in a Box offers customizable configurations to meet any business size and needs. KHTechCloud.com is your go-to source for this secure, affordable, plug-and-play solution. Backup and disaster recovery are included, making it the ultimate all-in-one affordable package. So why wait? The future of cloud computing is just a click away. Visit KHTechCloud.com today to learn more, purchase your Cloud in a Box, or have one of our expert hybrid cloud specialists reach out to you within 24 hours. Dive into the future with Cloud in a Box. Secure, affordable, revolutionary. Your hybrid cloud solution is here.